Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on PNC Bank Online Banking. In this video, we will explore all the features that can enhance your banking experience. Let's start with how to sign up for PNC Online Banking. Follow these simple steps to create your account. Here's the PNC Online Banking dashboard. Let's take a closer look at its key features. You can easily manage your accounts by viewing balances, transactions, and statements right from the dashboard. Transferring funds is simple. Let's look at both internal and external transfer processes. Next, we'll explore the bill pay feature, which allows you to set up and manage payments effortlessly. Don't forget about the PNC mobile app. Here are its standout features that keep your banking on the go. Security is paramount. Let's discuss the measures PNC Bank takes to protect your online banking information. If you need assistance, PNC offers a variety of customer support options to help you with your online banking needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you feel empowered to make the most of PNC Bank's online banking features.